Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Today's Friday, May 27th. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. And I put this box out here, this hive body, on a second floor porch as a trap. So a honeybee swarm trap. And I refreshed it maybe 3 days ago with some Swarm Commander. And we've had some pretty cool mornings. Went down to like 51 the other day, but it's warming up, it's humid again. Today it feels like it's in the 70s. I noticed some bee activity this morning, so I thought I'd set the camera up. We'll take a look what's going on the bottom board here. Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Today's Friday, May 27th. I think it's 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I forgot to check. But I have another box that I was using as a swarm trap. It has activity, still has bees inspecting it. It's a 10 frame deep. So I had my eyes on it, and this Layens hive. I just opened up the main entrance about 6 hours ago, a little bit more. I had it closed a little bit so no mice could get in. And then I opened up these two other circles to vents. And I just discovered, because if I'm looking at this hive here from the right, I see that activity, and it's always been busy. I was busy early this morning, but it was just activity associated with bees bringing in pollen and nectar. So I noticed bees started looking at the nuke and at this 10 frame, and they're all over them too. But they're really going in. I wonder if it's just robbing, because I've got a lot of honey in these hives. No, there's fanning going on. So I don't know if I just caught my own swarm, but the bees here are fanning. So it's actually where I wanted them to go, because I was wondering how I was going to move the hives on the porch that I set up. I'd have to strap them down and then carry them through the house. I wasn't looking forward to that scenario, but yeah, they're fanning. So, but there's probably confusion to these other two hives that are empty, with the bees going in and out. So let's see what happens overnight. they settle down. Oh man, there are bees fanning on the entrance of the nuke. So, like I said, I don't know if they're my bees or someone else's bees. They could still move if they find that other one more attractive, I guess, because there's still bees investigating it. Where did I see that bee? Oh yeah, right there. So, that bee's fanning. They could be confused. So yeah, it looks like I might have more than one hive now. So this is New England Gardening. Stay tuned. Figure out what's going on. I don't think I'll be venturing into this too soon. But certainly if there's a virgin queen or a queen from my hive or someone else's hive in this Lands hive. Thanks for watching.